Unit first. In that, introducing HTML5, understanding HTML, XHTML and HTML5, introducing semantic markup, syntax, attributes, working with elements, creating an HTML document, embedding content, embedding HTML by using inline frames, working with hyperlinks, adding images to your HTML document, embedding plugin content, advances of HTML5. In that, HTML5 layout container, format using div element, working with tables. In that, creating regular and irregular tables, heading, columns and rows, captions, header and footer. Unit second. In that, introducing JavaScript, basic of JavaScript, JavaScript variables, operators and its precedence, special values, predefined built-in functions, functions declaration and call string functions, conditions and looping structure, inline JavaScript and external JavaScript, advances in JavaScript, object in JavaScript, concept of array. In that, how to use it in JavaScript, types of an array, array methods, DOM concept in JavaScript, DOM objects, DOM search methods, event handling in JavaScript. In that, capturing and bubbling, subscribing, unsubscribing, cancelling event, Windows event, keyboard and mouse events. Unit third. In that, cascading style sheet, introduction to CSS3, defining and applying a style, inline, embedded and external style sheet, selectors. In that, element, ID and class selector, grouping selector, attribute, specificity and cascading, CSS properties, color, box model, border, padding, margin, float and clear, books and references. This is our whole syllabus. Thanks for watching.